I do want to start you down in the tropics because there's a lot of talk about what's going on with Irma. So I want to get everyone straight with what's happening with Irma right now. Still out in the Atlantic Ocean, a Category 3 hurricane with max sustained winds of 115 miles per hour. Strengthening is expected as Irma does work its way into warmer and more favorable weather conditions here the next couple of days. But, this system is still way out there. It's not until the end of the week. You can see the timeline here, Friday, that it even reaches the Bahamas. So still lots of time to figure out where Irma will eventually head. Certainly something we'll be monitoring the next several days. Here at home, though, great weather if you have any outdoor plans for the day today. High pressure firmly in control, and that's going to allow for a lot of sunshine here today. And look at this view in Annapolis. Fantastic start to your Monday, your Labor Day holiday. Looks great. We're currently sitting at 57. That's at BWI Airport. Winds out of the west at 3 miles per hour. A little cool, though. Most locations sitting in the upper 50s. Edgewood up towards Jarrettsville. We're at 59 in Timonium. Also at 59 this morning in Elkridge. 60 for you, though, out the door in Millersville. And good morning to you in Centerville. You're also checking in this morning in the low 60s. High pressure, as mentioned, in control today, but it doesn't last long. We do have a cold front situated across the Midwest. That will be sweeping in for the day tomorrow. That'll provide some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be on the strong side tomorrow evening. But today, it's a glorious day. Get out and enjoy it. Lots of sunshine to go around. Temperatures really quite comfortable with highs in the mid-80s. Tomorrow, for the first day of school, we started off nice with lots of sunshine. It's into the afternoon when we really have to keep our eye out. Some showers and thunderstorms will be arriving, as mentioned, some of which could be on the strong, possibly severe side. So definitely monitoring that for the day tomorrow. But today, great day, 84 our high temperature. Tomorrow in the mid-80s as well. We cool it down pretty significantly for the midweek, though. 71 on Wednesday with occasional rain. Still cool on Thursday with a high of 73 and some more rain showers possible as we